Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my kitchen and thank you for subscribing to this channel. And thank you once again for your support, your comment, and everything means a lot to me. Okay, so today I am making banku, like authentic Ghana banku. And this is the ingredients that I use in making my banku. Okay, so this is my white maize meal and I ordered it from Millicent in the economic hostel. Please, if you want, kindly contact her and order your own. It's very, very good for your banku, your kenke, and your cocoa. So this is my clean bowl that I am putting the meal in there, okay, and I will add water to it, okay. This is help in the process of fermentation so that I can make my banku or kenke or my cocoa, okay. But if you like, you can use it straightforward for your ethyl. And I'll be adding water to my maize meal till I get the consistency that I want, right? I really love this meal because it's very affordable as compared to the neat banku that we buy from the African shop. Very, very nice in taste. Please contact her for your meal. Yeah, so I'll go for this consistency. Okay, very, very nice. And I'll be putting it in my bowl so that I can cover it for it to ferment for about 3 days. But if you like, you can keep it for more than 3 days, but I prefer in 3 days time. All right, please cover it very well. Okay, you have to make sure that you have a bowl that have a cover for you to cover it. And I am done mixing my corn, right? Very, very nice and smooth. Okay, so I'll be covering with a plastic foil. Absolutely beautiful. Wow, it's very, very nice. Yeah, and I am done mixing and I'll be covering it for it to ferment for 3 days. All right, very, very neat. Like, I can't wait for this banku to ferment so that I will make my banku Ghana authentic banku. Okay, for your kenke, your banku, your anything that you can use it for. And this is it after the 3 days. I can't wait for this banku to get ready. Yes, very, very nice. Please contact her to order this 5 kilos. They have 10 kilos, so you can. And I am about to make my banku, and as you can see, it's very, very much for me, so I will be putting it in my plastic bags and keep them in my fridge. This is it, and I'll be putting it in my fridge, and anytime I want to do banku or kenke, I will just go inside my fridge and take one of them and use it to make my banku or kenke, right? See, I'm in the best fridge. Time biya me pesa me use biya no me to me akọ me fridge no mako use. Very, very nice and affordable. Yeah, and we are about to make our banku, and that's my condo and my cassava. You can also buy cassava from Millicent at the economic hostel, right? And any banku way there, oh buakra for chance bra. Let's get into the process to make banku, and that's my condo. And I blended the cassava. Okay, so I've gotten cassava to make my Ghana banku papebi. Okay, so it depends on your choice whether you want hard banku or soft banku. And to make your banku, if you want a lot of cassava, use more cassava than the cornmeal. And if you don't like a lot of cassava too, you can reduce the cassava and then you add your cornmeal. Okay, it's your choice whether you like more cassava or less cassava. That's why it's homemade food. You have the right to reduce anything. Yeah, my banku is on fire. Okay, on medium heat, and I'll be stirring it till it is formed. Okay, I don't want any lumps in there, so I have to make sure I stir it very very well. Okay, pacho banku no and esi jasu no pacho kamu akopim time ebe for me. Okay, we don't want any lumps in there. Okay, so this banku goes with pepper, banku with pepper and fried fish. Right, stir continuously, all right, so that everything will be very smooth. Okay, that's the way we want our banku to be. Okay, and at this moment you have to increase the speed that you are using to drive your banku. All right, this banku there, yeah, we are still on making our banku, Ghana banku papebi. So please, at this moment, you just have to check the texture of it if you want it. We are still making our authentic Ghana banku papebi. Banku we dear. A bear de. Add water to it if you want your banku to become very soft and cover it, right? And the other side too, if you want your banku to be hard, do it the way you want it. Okay, homemade recipe, very very necessary. Aka kakra bi na banku na bin makata so kakra. Yeah, my banku has been on fire for about 35 minutes now and it's almost ready. And I can't wait to enjoy this banku with my friends. Kindly try this method of preparing the authentic Ghana banku. And my banku is ready to be consumed by myself and some friends. Yeah, I don't like my banku to be hard or to be too soft. I just want it within, like, so yeah, thank you so much for your support. I'm about to enjoy my banku with my pepper, with fried fish, onion, shito, and fried egg. BBI and kakra. Okay, feel free to eat your banku with any kind of stew, soup that you want, okay, or okra. Those people who like okra too, you can enjoy your banku with okra. I am very much grateful to you all. Please kindly click on your notification bell so that whenever I upload any video, you'll be notified. You'll be the first person to watch my videos. I am very much grateful for your amazing support. Please share, subscribe, and like my videos. Okay, Eve's Kitchen. Thank you so much, and I am very much grateful. Kindly contact Millicent for your meal, okay, your maize meal. And see you next time with another video. Okay, thank you. Bye.